Hello. So today I will be demonstrating you how to download the fliphTML5 books with this fliphTML5 downloader. Most of the downloaders right now which are available, the scripts and even the some of the websites which claim they will download from fliphTML5, they don't work. So this is the latest which I just wrote today and I'm making a video for you guys to help you out. So in order to start, let's see here, we need to have the packages requests, OS and image to PDF, and we need to have Python 3 or in our system. So first let's check, let's go to the terminal and see. For Python 3 you can punch in here, and if you don't have there, it will not pop like that. It says command not known, and you can download Python. There are many other tutorials on YouTube available with which you can download. Okay, so if once you are having Python, then you're gonna check for the requests, pip install image, then you're gonna check about the request, image to PDF and OS packages. So how you can check or install them, that's with the pip command or pip3 command. Pip command is used if you have Python 2. If you have Python 3, then pip3 is command. So I have Python 3. I'll go with the Python pip3. You can see Python 3 is right here, Python 3.9.6, and then I'll do pip3 and then install, and then I'll do the requests. So it's gonna tell me that it's already installed, so we can just remove that. So I have already installed all of them. You don't need OS, most probably it's already pre-installed, so all you need is requests and image to PDF. So just install these two with pip3, and once you're installed, then what you can do is you can go to my GitHub page, or I'll post this link as well, so you can clone this. You can clone it or you can manually install it, and now it's up to you where you want to install it. So I'll install it in the music directory, although it's not a music, but still I'll just install it here. It's all empty, so it's easy for me to manage that. So now what I can do is I can do git clone, and then I can paste that link here. This will be provided in the YouTube description, don't worry about that, and it's gonna be done as soon as possible within a second. Okay, and now we can see that we have a folder named fliphTML5 downloader. So we'll just go to that downloader. Okay, and now we have like a readme file and a Python script file. They both are downloaded from here. You can download once again manually or with this git clone. Okay, so now I have the file. I'll run the file with the Python 3 fliphTML5 downloader.py. Okay, it's asking enter the book link in the format. So now we need to copy this link from the fliphTML5. So generally this is the link of the fliphTML5 book, and what we need to do is what this pair of code comes after fliphTML5.com, we need to copy that. So in order to copy, this is fliphTML5. It's a very popular site and it has a lot of books. You can download them. So here is the file which I opened from here. It's the second file. Okay, so here you can say if you try to download it from here, it's not gonna download, and some will let you download, but I think they will ask you to pay and then download. So in order to download these files, so what you'll do is you need to copy this link, not the whole link, just these pair of code which are followed by fliphTML5.com. We'll just copy these, and then we'll go back to our terminal and we will just paste them here. Just confirm that these are the right ones, otherwise the software might blow up. There is no exception handling in there in the script, so it's a pretty simple script right away. So just press, and then you can see it start downloading pages, and it says downloading page 1, 2, 3 out of 120, and you can cross verify from here that you have 120 pages in total. Okay, so once it's gonna it will be downloaded, then I can show you here. It's the music directory. So this is the folder which we downloaded, and now you can see that it is making it already downloaded these pages, and it's making the PDF file now. This is the PDF file. So the folder and the file both are named. Okay, so it says the PDF name, this has been saved in your working directory. So this was our working directory where our script is. So these two, a folder and a file, have been created, and it says thank you. Okay, so these are the folders. This folder contains the images which are downloaded from fliphTML5, and then we have this PDF which is the combination of those images, and that's the exactly same PDF which was opened there. So you can verify that. So this is small script which comes in handy. You can download it from here, and it will help you download the books from fliphTML5. And this video is only for educational purposes, so it's just a warning and caution. Okay, thank you so much, and if you have any other questions, post them in the comment and I will answer them as soon as possible.